This Korean instant noodle fooled millions into thinking it's authentic Japanese ramen. I'm talking about Shin Ramyun, and if you've ever wondered why this spicy Korean instant noodle hits different than other brands, you're about to find out. Because what Nongshim created back in 1986 wasn't just another instant noodle. It was a flavor profile that accidentally became the closest thing to authentic ramen you can get from a packet. Here's what's happening in your bowl. While most instant noodles give you that flat, one-dimensional taste, Shin Ramyun delivers that complex, layered broth depth that real ramen shops spend hours developing. The secret is in their spicy beef base. It's not just heat, it's umami-rich complexity that mimics the bone broth intensity of authentic tonkotsu or shoyu ramen. Then there's the noodle texture. These aren't your typical soggy instant noodles. Shin Ramyun's wheat noodles have that chewy, springy bite, what the Japanese call koshi, that you'd expect from fresh ramen noodles. But here's the kicker. At $2 a pack, you're getting a flavor experience that would cost you $15 to $20 at a ramen shop. No wonder it's fooled so many people into thinking they're eating the real deal. Shin Ramyun launched in 1986 from Nongshim, inspired by a hearty Korean beef and chili soup, then tuned for global taste. It became South Korea's best-selling instant noodle and spread to 100-plus countries. The packet combo builds layers, aromatics, chili, umami, like a shortcut to ramen shop complexity. Chili oils bloom fat-soluble aromatics, releasing that instant ramen shop aroma when it hits heat. Hints of smoke and sea, from fish and kelp profiles, suggest the Japanese ramen backbone without a 12-hour stock. Real tonkotsu is emulsified pork fat and collagen. Shin simulates depth via fats, glutamates, and spices. Shoyu cues, soy, ginger, scallion, are echoed in the seasoning for that familiar Tokyo-style profile. Even miso-style richness shows up when you add dairy or corn. Hello Sapporo comfort. That bouncy bite, koshi, comes from dough formulation and precise frying or non-frying processes. In 2014, the noodle was reworked for extra chew, pushing it closer to fresh shop texture. The non-fried variant trims calories and eats cleaner, while keeping that spring. Shio ramen is delicate and clear. Shin doesn't copy this, it leans heartier. Shin echoes shoyu's soy depth with beefier, spicier swagger. It fakes tonkotsu body with emulsified fats in the soup base. Add a spoon of miso at home and Shin pivots towards Sapporo-style comfort. Shin became a pop icon, K-culture comfort food with worldwide recognition. From original to black to red, variants map from savory rich to super spicy. And the trick is simple. Restaurant vibes, 5-minute convenience. That's why your brain screams ramen shop when you slurp Shin at home. Shin Black adds an extra beef soup pack for even deeper savoriness. Heat, umami, bounce, the ramen trifecta. Next, we put Shin head-to-head with Japan's classics and see how to dress it up to taste even more legit. We plate Shin next to a shop-style shoyu. Same bowls, same toppings, no tells. Match the toppings, menma, scallion, nori. Visuals get you halfway there. Shoyu stays clearer and soy-forward. Shin reads richer, spicier, redder. For best koshi, boil 3.5, rest 30 seconds, then serve. Overcook it and you lose the snap. Instant giveaway. A quick cold shock, then back in hot broth, amps the bounce even more. A spoon of homemade tare, soy, mirin, ginger, garlic adds ramen bar definition. A pinch of MSG or kombu dashi sharpens the savory without extra saltiness. Finish with scallion oil for that open-the-shop door fragrance. Lay chashu on top, suddenly it looks like a Y1200 bowl. Tokyo shoyu is clean soy and chicken. Shin is beefy and spicy. Different lanes, similar satisfaction. Tonkotsu's richness comes from collagen. Shin simulates the roundness with fats and seasoning. Add butter and corn to Shin. Boom, Sapporo vibes in 5 minutes. Want thicker noodles? Cook Shin just shy, drain and dip into concentrated soup for faux tsukmen. When tasters guess, seasoned slurpers spot the spice. Casual eaters get fooled. Aroma primes the brain. Match the aroma and you sway the vote. More than a few pick Shin as the shop bowl. Not kidding. $2 versus 18. That's a 9 times swing for similar comfort. Stop Stock a pantry and you've got late-night ramen on tap. Is it identical to a master's broth? Nah. Is it close enough to trigger the same craving? Absolutely. Step 1. Lively simmer, not a lava boil. Keeps noodles from shredding. Bloom the soup base with a touch of hot water and oil to wake up aromatics. Swirl gently so heat distributes evenly. Add greens and an egg. Balance the spice. Build body. A spoon of butter gives that miso shop roundness. Naruto, menma, a sheet of nori. These visuals scream authentic ramen. Ajitama eggs? Instant upgrade, minimal effort. A quick torch or pan sear of chashu adds shop-level fragrance. Go Shin Black when you want deeper, beefier comfort. Craving a challenge? Shin Red brings the thrill ride. Keep it light with the non-fried variant. Cleaner finish, same soul. Remember, ramen is a Japanese craft. Decades of regional styles and technique. Shoyu, shio, miso, tonkotsu, every region has a signature. The roots run deep, from hand-pulled traditions to modern artistry. Shin is Korean comfort food that cleverly taps into ramen cues millions love. Twirl the noodles, stack toppings with intent. Eye appeal boosts perceived taste. Chase the steam, that's aromas in motion, straight to your senses. Same ingredients, but technique makes it taste expensive. That's the magic. Restaurant vibes without leaving home. Plate smart, season smarter, and Shin becomes a dead ringer for ramen night. Heat, umami, bounce, Shin nails the ramen signals our brains crave. Is it the same as a master's 12-hour stock? Respectfully, no. But in 5 minutes for about $2, it's shockingly close. Pick your lane. Richer, spicier, or lighter, there's a Shin for every mood. Store cool and dry. Keep oils sealed for peak aroma. Scallions, jammy eggs, butter, menma, nori, tiny adds, big return. Remember the timing for the perfect bite. Now you know why Shin can pass for the real thing on a hungry night. All music today is from the YouTube audio library. If this helped your next bowl, hit subscribe and drop your favorite Shin hacks below. Thanks for watching. Happy slurping. See you in the next one. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.